Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2012 Kawasaki KLR650 Dual Sport liquid cooled 650. This bike is in beautiful condition, only 11,000 miles, matte gray with black, brand new tires, little top case. Come on by, make your dual sport dreams come true with this very, very excellent condition 2012 KLR 650 for only $51.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.